Industrial backpack vacuums clean areas twice as fast as upright vacuums in offices, schools, and repair shops. With their 50-foot power cord and slim profile, movement is less restricted, and you can clean hard-to-reach places with less effort than upright vacuums. The ergonomic open weave harness bears weight on your hips and can be adjusted for different heights, making it comfortable and cool to wear while reducing worker fatigue. Industrial backpack vacuums are available in various sizes and are offered as cordless for stairwells and elevators. The upholstery attachment cleans chairs, couches, and other furniture. Use the dust brush on leather furniture to prevent scratching on smooth surfaces, and use the crevice tool to reach corners or tight spaces. Its HEPA filtration removes up to 99.84% of particles from surfaces, and replacement bags can be purchased for excellent microfiltration. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.